Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Arriva bus application not working on your iOS device. There might be a few reasons why the Arriva bus application is not working on your iPhone, so let's go through some troubleshooting steps on how you can fix the issue. Before starting, first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you find the best connection, launch the app Open and try logging in to see if it works. If the problem still continues, consider restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and shut down your iPhone. Reboot it again and then launch Open the Arriva application. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. So if that works for you, then you can continue logging into the app and access your account. While logging into the account, make sure that you've typed in the correct email and password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping the Forgot Your Password link above the login button. If the problem still persists, then go check for your application update. Open your App Store and then search for Arriva Bus and search. Look for this application, and once you open up this preview page, check if there is an update button available. If there is an update button, simply tap on it to download the latest version of Arriva Bus app. Once you have the latest version installed, tap on Open and see if it works for you. If the problem still persists, then you can also try deleting your application and reinstalling it back again. Press and hold the Arriva Bus application and tap on Remove App. Tap the Delete button twice and you will be able to see the app icon disappear. Go back to your App Store and search for the application and reinstall it again. After you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the general and the most basic troubleshooting steps you can take and follow if you are having trouble with the Arriva Bus application not working on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.